Hey mga kababayan, today let's fix the P0455 error code. So this error code is set when the engine computer recognizes a large leak in the evap system, usually an indication that the fuel cap is loose. So in order to fix it, you should tighten your gas cap, as I have noted that I haven't you know fully locked the gas cap. So a little turn and make sure that it clicks.
Connected to OBD.
The error code won't go away unless you clear the fault code, and you can do that via torque row. Just go into the fault codes and then select clear fault code under the menu list and select OK. Remember, if the error code still persists, go to your mechanic.